Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So guess what, guys? I'm back. Yes, I am back. And I have a story to tell you guys. So this one is going to be quick, not going to be too long. I just want to keep you guys up to date on what's been going on, why I took out this amount of time. And I didn't want to, but I had to. So everyone know that last year, what happened? The big thing that happened that affected everyone. I'm not gonna say what it is. You guys should put 1 on 1 to make 2. The big thing that changed everyone's life, the whole economy, etc., etc. That affected me as well, and I had to take some time off from doing what I love, trading. I do have a family. They come first. I have to take care of them first. I do have a business on the side. I had to take care of that as well. So I took some time off and I took care of what I had to take care of. But now I'm back. You know, one thing I can say is we never know what is going to occur in life. We just have to go step by step. We don't know what's going to come. And then any obstacle that comes, we have to deal with it when it comes in front of our face. So I'm pretty sure you guys was affected by it as well. And you guys didn't really necessarily knew or know it was going to come your way, or however it affected you, if it did or it didn't. Hold on, I need some lotion, but anyways, I can't find it. But yeah, so it affected me and I had to take some time off. So now I'm back and I'm ready to get back to work. All right, this is something I do on the side, and I do eventually want to take it to a next level. And I am doing this full time as well, apart with my business. And yeah, I just want to get ready and get back to work, and also bring you guys along my journey. I have been doing this for over 5 years now, and I have learned a lot. So all the information that I have or accumulate, I'm going to be giving to you guys, and I'm going to take you guys along with me on my journey. And I hope you guys are ready. You know, I was very annoyed or disappointed that I had to step away from trading, and I know some of you guys do watch me. It's not a lot, but it's a good amount of you guys that do actually tune in. And I have been checking my analytics, and people are still watching some of my videos while I was gone, and that kind of kept me motivated to get back to actually giving my content and showing you guys how to actually trade, or what I know in terms of trading. I've seen people reach out to me in comments, and I've been communicating and going back and forth with you guys. So I appreciate you guys for doing that as well. It kept me motivated, and it kept me even more, you know, pumped to get back to doing what I actually love to do. So, you know, a part of my life, like I said, I have a video where I said why I quit my job, or why, you know, so I'm putting in the description or at the top where you guys can check it out. And I always want to be my own boss. I always wanted to do my own thing when I want to do it. I want to wake up when I want to wake up and basically do whatever I want to do. I don't want to have someone telling me what to do, be around people I didn't really like. So I took the route of quitting my job, and now I'm doing things independently. I'm doing things independently. So I did have to take some time off to situate some things to make sure my family was all good. Now we're in that space where we're good, but we need some more help, which I'm gonna take care of, no problem. But I'm in that space where now I can get back to trading with you guys. So I might start this week. Well, tomorrow's Friday, so I might not be trading. So most likely, definitely next week, I will be loaded up, doing my video, trading, making my money here and there. And I have been studying, so don't think I was just sitting here on the side, just sitting back, or, you know, doing whatever I want to. I was also studying, trading on the low, you know, but on the low, and I have learned new things. I have a new strategy that I actually want. Well, I've been trying it out, and so far it's looking pretty honest. So hopefully when I continue it and see how the result turns out, I'll also present it to you guys. No problem. Right, thank you guys for actually sticking around, the ones that have, and thanks to the new subscribers or the new people that have been watching me. I appreciate you guys because I do it for you guys. And yeah, thank you. You know, so like I said, next week I will definitely be trading full time, and I'll definitely be on here. So hopefully you guys continue to tune in, continue to watch the videos, comment. I'll answer all the comments that you guys leave to the best of my knowledge. If I don't have the answer, I'll let you guys know or lead you in the right direction to get the answer that you're looking for. You know, like I said, I want to keep everything very transparent, and this is why I'm doing this segment where I'm explaining to you guys where I've been, what I've been doing, why I haven't been on here trading like I used to. So I want to keep you guys informed. I don't want to keep you guys in the dark, because I don't want to seem like one of those other people that they just disappear, never give any information, and just randomly come back. Where have you been? Well, I told you guys, I didn't get too much into details, but hopefully you guys understand, because we all went through it, you know, that time last year, and it was very rough. It was very, very, very rough, and I'm pretty sure some majority of you guys went through the same thing as well, or probably even worse. You know, we don't know. Maybe compared to my situation, it wasn't as near as bad as other people's situation, and I'm grateful for still being here, and I'm grateful for you guys to still be here. You know, I'm very grateful. So thank you, like I said, for tuning in, and I will be getting back to work. So hopefully you guys are ready, because I'm gonna be on it. You're gonna be seeing video from left to right, right to left, all that, up and down, 360. You're gonna see a lot of videos coming out. So hopefully you guys are ready, and hopefully when I settle in, I might do some live sessions. So stay tuned with that. Remember, do all the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, share. Like I said, put in the comment section anything you want to ask me. I'll be answering it. I'll be looking out, and that's really about it. So hopefully you guys are ready. Hopefully you guys been making money, or if not, making some progress, or being disciplined. Remember, be disciplined. You have to be disciplined in this game, you know. So hopefully you guys are doing everything that you're supposed to. You guys are learning, training, studying, and all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys are ready. It's Key Life Trading, and I'm out. Peace.